my tips on success actually is very simple, tapi sangat susah nak follow. My tips of success is actually you need to, kita panggil apa? You need to focus. You need to focus in the thing that you want to do. Sebab life is all about problem solving. Okay, you need to focus and make sure there's no benda-benda macam but, maybe, mungkin, any information yang you nak buat for something, even though you nak jawab exam. Buah apple warna apa? There's only very definite answer. Okay, sama macam life. If you don't know something, you have to focus and find the answer. You tak boleh agak-agak peledung. Okay, so my tips of success in a simple term is that you have to be precise as possible.